Hello friends, if you are facing issue with your Regal Unlimited app, or you can say, your Regal app is not working, you want to know how fix this issue, keep watching this video. Today we are going to fix why Regal app is not starting and not working properly. So let's get started. There may be several reasons behind not working of Regal app. Maybe the Regal app server is down or the app is in under maintenance. Other than this, there are other common issues that can interrupt your service. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is fully working and you are getting good internet speed. If you still facing same issue, then try Method 2. Update your Regal Unlimited app. Sometimes some updated may create these type issues, so make sure your app is up to date. For this, go to Play Store or iOS App Store and check for updates. If you still facing same issue, then try Method 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes restarting devices automatically resolve these types issues. Method 4. Check device date and time setting. Make sure your device date and time is according to your time zone and corrected, or you can say should be accurate. Last method. Clear Regal Unlimited app cache file from app settings. If you do not know how to clear app cache files, for this you can search how to clear app cache file on YouTube. If you still facing same issue, this mean maybe the Regal app server is down or the app is in under maintenance. In that case, wait for couple of hours and then try again. By using these methods you can fix your Regal app problems. If you still facing issue, then you need to contact Regal team regarding this issue. Hope you like this video. If yes, then hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.